Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F81 error code on your 2025 GE Range, you're in the right place. This pesky error often pops up on ovens and ranges, signaling a potential issue with the temperature sensor or communication between the control board and other components. Don't worry, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, the F81 error code typically indicates a problem with the oven's sensor, which might be faulty, or there could be a wiring issue or even a software glitch from a power surge. This is common in GE appliances from 2025 models, and it can prevent your oven from heating properly or functioning at all. The good news is that many cases are easy to resolve with some basic troubleshooting. Before we get started, safety is key. Always unplug your range from the wall outlet to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's try a simple reset. Unplug the appliance for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. This often clears temporary errors and might just solve your problem. If the error persists, it's time to inspect the wiring. Carefully remove the back panel of your range, refer to your user manual for guidance, and check for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires connected to the sensor. Secure any loose connections and replace damaged wires if you spot them. Next, if you're comfortable with a multimeter, test the oven sensor for proper resistance. A reading outside the normal range, usually around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature, means you'll need to replace the sensor. You can find replacement parts online or at an appliance store. If none of these steps work or if you're not confident handling electrical components, call a certified technician. They can diagnose deeper issues like a faulty control board, which might require professional tools. In wrapping up, the F81 error on your GE Range is often a quick fix, but always prioritize safety and know when to seek help. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.